So, are you a freelancer or looking for to be a freelancer or looking for a work? You probably know how exhausting the task can be. However, there are freelance websites dedicated to helping professionals or a noob like yourself find the work. In this video, we are going to select top 6 freelancing websites that you can go on and do some easy job and get paid. Before hopping onto the video, make sure you know what the freelancer website do. So the freelance website are actually platforms where both people looking for work and employers post their offers. Being a freelancer is an excellent way to turn your talent or hobby into money. You have the freedom to apply for only the projects that you like or you are good to at. Needless to say, using these websites will help you set a solid start for your freelance career. They will assist you in finding first clients easily and earning employers trust along the way. Also, you constantly sharpen your skills by taking different projects from various employers. In the end, your portfolio shall grow and there will be many more job offers. Moving on to number 1, we have got the Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancers can showcase finished projects to the public so potential clients can easily pick someone whose creation sparks their interest. It's an alternative that removes the need to contact workers one by one. So what is more, Fiverr offers you free learning courses to develop your skills and teach you how to pitch to clients. In the Fiverr, you can also learn or find clients to work, they want the job to be done, they want a website to be created. It's like anything, even if they need a video editor, they need a photo editor, they want to make a beautiful picture, whatever they want, this is the Fiverr. So Fiverr have got everything you're looking for, and it's all in one. Moving on to number 2, the Upwork. So Upwork is a competitor of the Fiverr. So Upwork offers tools to kickstart your freelance journey, collaborative space, built-in invoice maker, and transparent recruitment process. You can also be able to work for many famous clients such as Microsoft, Airbnb, Dropbox, anything that is the list goes on. Anyone who is looking for flexibility in their jobs should definitely check this freelance website. Moving on to number 3, the Toptall. So Toptall is a freelance website, but wait, it might give you a real pinch because this company promises companies they can hire the top 3% of global freelancers. Surely you can be one of them if you work hard enough in building your skills. So Toptall is a global remote company that provides a freelancing platform connecting businesses with the software engineers, designers, and businesses consultants. So the company has actually no headquarters, but this is operating around the world and is booming really high. Moving on to number 4, we have the 99 Designs. This is a great website, and early on nobody knew about it and people took a lot of profit, made a lot of money out of it, even in thousands, in hundreds of thousands. So this freelance website aim to focus on designer jobs. So this is only for designer jobs. Remember that. Everything from logos. You think logos are nothing, but they make a lot of money, heck a lot of money for companies. To book covers, it also allows clients to start a contest that everyone in 99 Designs can participate in. At zero cost, you will get a platform to showcase your work and improve your creative knowledge with it. Up-to-date articles. Moving on to number 5, the Guru. After you sign up, you will be part of 3 million freelancers across the globe in search of various jobs such as web development, writing, architecture, and so on. So this is again one of the largest booming market, especially in Asia, regarding the freelancers jobs. So if you're looking for a job, and especially in Asia, make sure to go to Guru, because Fiverr is really crowded. So that's why there are a lot of platforms to look for work. If you're a beginner, so if you're going to start up, make sure to go to be on all platforms. Apply on Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, and 99 Designs, and there are plenty of options out there to make a lot of money. So if you think you like this video, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we will see you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.